In this video, we'll be studying regarding the construction of triangles. In the three constructions, the first one is to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and some of the other two sides. Second one is to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and the difference of other two sides. Next one is to construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. Now, we'll directly go to the exercise. That is, first question says, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 cm, angle B is equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 cm. In this they have given you the base angle and some of the other two sides. So it is the first construction that we'll be doing. Let us take BC, that is 7 cm. So we'll take BC equal to 7 cm and label it. This is my 7 cm. I'll mark it as BC and label it as 7 cm. Now they have said 75 degrees, so that lies exactly between 60 and 90. So I'm marking an 90 degree angle using compass. So my first arc, first cut, and then the second cut, angle bisector for 90 degree. So that's my 90 degree. Joining B and the intersection. This is my 90 degree. This is my 60 degree. So they want 75 degrees. So that should be an angle bisector of these two. Reducing it again. First cut. This is my second cut. So this gives me 75 degree. I'll connect this. I'll extend it abundantly because we need it to be AB plus AC is 13 centimeters. So I'll extend it much further. Now using compass, measure 13 centimeter and cut an arc. Okay, in my compass I cannot take 13 centimeters, so I'm taking 11 centimeter. After 11 centimeter, I'm taking 2 more centimeter to mark it as 13. I'll cross verify. I'll get that this is 13 centimeter. That which we have taken here is 13 centimeter. Now label that point as D. So you have your point D here. Next, what you have to do is you have to connect D and C. Mark an angle, mark a line from D and mark it to C. To this line DC, you have to make an perpendicular bisector. You have to make an perpendicular bisector to the line DC. So here, taking more than half. From both the point. I am connecting these 2 points. After connecting, wherever this is intersecting, that point is your A. This is your A. From here connected to C. You'll get your triangle A, B, C. This is your triangle ABC. Second question says, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. In this, they have given you base side, the base length, base angle and the difference between two sides. So first drawing a base, that is BC 8 centimeter. So first we'll draw BC 8 centimeter. This is BC 8 centimeter. Now they have said AB minus AC. So there is a side AB which is larger. So you need to understand here is you have your side AB minus AC. So when you're getting this difference, when they're giving you AB minus AC, the angle which they are given you is B. So B is the larger side here compared to AC. So first we'll construct 45 degree and then go for AB and AC. So first constructing 45 degree, first 90 degree, so that gives me 90 degree. I'll mark it. -90 degree. So next I have to mark for 45 degree. Angle bisector of this. So this is my 45 degree. I'll extend it. So this is my line. Now they have said AB minus AC. That means AB is the larger side, AC is the smaller side. So the cut will be in the upper part, not on the lower part. If AB is the smaller side, the cut will be on the other side. So the first arc cut will be on the upper side. AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeters. So we have to measure 3.5 centimeter in the scale and cut an arc above. So 3.5 from B I am cutting an arc 3.5. So here now I'll connect this point. I'll call this point as D and C. I'll connect D and C. After connecting D and C, now I have to do a perpendicular bisector for this DC and extend it to the point where it can meet. So from C more than half, similarly on the other side. I'll connect these 2 points. I'll extend it as further as possible. So this is my line. This is the previous line which we had considered. So I'm just extending this. So these 2 lines meet at this point. This point will be your point A. So this extended line, you can call it as ray BX. I'll call this as ray BX. This point A, and you'll connect it to the point C. So this is your triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. You have to take a perpendicular bisector to this and extend it to the point where it meets ray BX.